Hello everyone, this is Su Zhen Duan. I'm so glad to take this course, motivation course with all of you in this special situation. And the first word come to my mind when I think about my takeaway is it's a motivation club. I'm not alone. I'm always saying that I'm interested in motivation, but I always feel okay, that's just me, not all of you. But when I take this course, I know all the students are interested in motivation, and we share all our experience, our examples, our thoughts during all the learning experience. So I feel I learned a lot from all of you. So it's just like our motivation club motivate me. Okay, so this is my first takeaway. So my second one is about my thoughts in motivation. So before I take this course, motivation is a big topic for me. Just like it includes so many sub theories, so many topics, so many things. It makes me confused and complex. I don't know where it is this theory or that theory or another one. But after taking this course, we get through all the theories one by one. I think I got a little idea about the integrity of motivation. It's all about what do you think about yourself? Do you have the ability to do something, and do you have the expectation of their success or fail about the things. I made this chart just like you can think motivation theory in two different ways, just like it's intrinsic or extrinsic or future or past oriented. I think whether it is right or not, it doesn't matter. It just make me think more deeply about motivation theory. So this is the big thing I get from this course. So these two things together just like motivate me to keep doing my research in motivation. So I'm so lucky to have this course and have this course with you. Thank you guys. That's all.